In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add additional users to your existing profile. From the main dashboard screen, simply go up to click My Account, and then on the next menu, you're going to click Edit next to where it says Employees. Go ahead and gather the information from your employee of what they're wanting their username and their password to be, so that way it's something they're easily going to remember. Along with the password. The password criteria is the same criteria used when you would set up your account initially as well. You're going to enter their email address. Make sure that there's no typos or spellings in that, so that way the information is going to be secure, along with their phone number. And then simply click the Add button. The next screen is going to prompt you for more credential information about that employee. So go ahead and put in their first name, and then their last name, their PTIN, and then it's also going to ask if you're wanting their name and their information on returns. In this scenario, I'm saying no. The employee is active. Verify their email address and again their phone number. And then for the address information, you can enter this information if you'd like, and then there's a question below if you're wanting their address on the returns. In this scenario, again, I'm going to say no. The next portion is going to go over what days they have access to the software. You can select this depending on what their schedule is or when you're wanting them to be able to access the software. I'm going to say all days, every day. In this scenario, I'm going to select that the employee can only edit returns they begin. Again, this is going to be a preference depending how you have your office set up for each individual employee, and it allows you the flexibility to go in and change this at any time as well. I'm going to say the ability to create and edit returns. I'm not giving them access to anything else, such as changing the settings for the eFIN or even e-filing returns or setting pricing. They're just going to have pretty basic access. At the bottom portion is the employee legal agreement. Make sure you're reading that. Click that button and then save and continue. Now to go and make sure that it took hold, go back in, select the edit button again, and you'll see that that user is now showing under the list of employees. Now likewise, it's just as easy to delete an employee if someone should leave the company or if you want them to no longer have access. We'll go ahead and delete test employee 5, and it's as simple as typing in that user ID, clicking the remove button. It's going to verify that you want to have that removed. Select OK, and they are removed. Always go back in and check just to make sure that nothing happened, and again, that user is gone. It's that simple.